Hi everyone! Alam ko, lahat tayo may kanya-kanyang goals sa buhay. Isa sa mga goals natin, yung magkabahay, di ba? Magkakotse, mag-travel, at higit sa lahat magkaroon ng ipon. Pero dapat may goal ka din na magkaroon ng pangkabuhayan. Are you looking for an extra income or want to start a part-time income? Be a JC Authorized Wholesaler at Dropshipper na. Alam mo ba na ang pagiging JC Authorized Wholesaler at Dropshipper is made simpler for you? Trust me. Sobrang simple lang ito gawin. Dahil dito, you don't have to worry about your rental expense, monthly dues, and physical store. Ang kailangan mo lang ay ang iyong cellphone at internet. At kahit nasa bahay ka lang, pwede ka na mag-part-time at magkaroon ng extra income. The good thing about this is hindi mo na kailangan humanap pa ng suppliers dahil pag ikaw ay isang JC Authorized Wholesaler at Dropshipper, magkakaroon ka ng up to 60% discount sa mga produkto. Most especially from the trusted and real JC Organic Barley Juice from New Zealand. Paano ka nga ba kikita? Let me tell you. 1,200 pesos na JC Organic Barley Juice times, sabihin natin 2 customers, so that's 2,400 pesos times 60% commission mo. So meron kang 1,440 pesos a day. And then times 30 days mo na. So meron kang total of 43,200 monthly. Imagine that. Simple lang magkaroon ng extra income at part-time, di ba? So for extra income, be a JC Authorized Wholesaler at Dropshipper na.